Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming the clip is imported and the app is up to date. That avoids export errors later. Once done, open a new project and add your 360 clips, then scrub the timeline to the section you want to export. Make sure you choose a stitch preview if needed so seams are checked. Tap Edit and select the primary clip. This first pass sets resolution, framing, and stabilization options you'll carry into the export stage. Now you'll refine how the 360 video looks and behaves in the exported file. Select resolution, pick 5, 7K for max quality or 4K/1080p for smaller files, and set FOV and reframing to lock the viewer angle. Apply stabilization and color adjustments. These change file size and render time. Once satisfied, use the app's render or preview button to check playback. When the preview looks right, tap Export or Render to start creating the final file and watch the progress indicator. You finish by selecting the export format, export as 360 equirectangular if you need immersive playback, or flat MP4 for standard platforms. Then pick destination, device, or direct share. Monitor export progress. Large files take time. Once saved, verify playback in a 360 player. If export fails, check free storage and app version, then retry at a lower resolution or close background apps. If problems persist, restart the app and reproduce the export with a short test clip to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.